Hello everybody, I'm back. I'm doing a Minecraft video today. This is the first part of money. And money is about mining. And when you're done mining, you go to here to get your gold, which you can go to the store to buy stuff. And I'm gonna see what's in this chest. This is all stone. I got a little bit of money. This is my house. I made all of this. And my sister helped a little bit. So I want to go to right here. Okay. Now I'm going to mine. Wait. So I'm going to spend a little bit of my money because I need a pickaxe. So 2 gold, so I need 3. 1, 2, that's 1. Pieces of cobblestone, 1, 2. That's 2. And then I need wood. 2 pieces of wood. 1, 2. So my sister's in creative mode. So I did copy wobbly 2, 3 and wood. And she'll take this. And then I need 1, 2. That's 1, 1, 2. That's 2, 1, 2. So my sister has all the gold for me because I forgot that I need a crafting table. Okay. No, I haven't. And I am going to make a crafting table. So I'm going to place it in my house. I'm going to make sticks, and then I'm going to make a stone pickaxe, do you want to see, wait, this goes even higher. This is like around the 30s and 40s. That's a lot. Okay, I'm going to mine now. Okay, I got 12 iron ore. And I forgot one thing. So, yeah. Gonna go to my sister's again. She's gonna get me a furnace. And a stack of charcoal. And then she's gonna give it to me. Here you go. And here you go. And then I'll place the furnace. I'll go right here in my house. I'll put it right here. There's my gold. There. Well, that's doing its thing. I'm gonna hunt. This is fun. I'm gonna make a part 2. And I can't take the stuff from the item frames. So I'm going to pause here, wait till my gold has finished, and show you what has been done. See you in a split second. Hello, and I am back. My sister, I planted some trees so I can get wood easier. And I'm gonna 5 gold, so 5 times I get 60 gold. That's wow. And I can make some gold stuff, so I'm gonna take half of it. So that's 30 pieces of gold that I get from my sister. She'll be like my bank. Okay, so I want to go back to my house, and I can't use the gold for gold armor or material. Gonna make myself some boots. And this is the Skyrim texture pack. So you might hear Skyrim music. Okay, so I'm gonna end it right here. I hope you have a good time watching it. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about me. And yeah, I might, if I get 100 subscribers, I might do a special video. So